Hi guys, today I'll be talking about this Tacoma, and I'm installing these running boards or steps, whatever you want to call it. So if you look at it, this is what it looks like without them, and that's what it looks like on the side. So when you go on this side, I would install this one. So this is what it looks like with them. Install first 3 brackets. They usually go like this. If you look at the driver's side, that goes like this, just like that. This one goes here, and then this one goes in the middle, just like this, and that one goes at the end, just like that. It's like 1, 2, and that one's 3. And to install them, Tacomas come with threaded holes, but you have to take it off your clips. You just take a screwdriver, and if you look by the tire right here, the first, and they just come off just like that. And that's how you take off the clips. So it comes with all the bolts, washers, and locking washers. So there's a bigger bolt, and then there's a tiny one. You take a tiny one, I believe that's how it goes. Locking washer, and then a washer. And you do a set, 1. And then you have 2 of these. Then you take this bracket. So you take 1 bolt and install it just like this. First do it hand tight. Grab your second, do the second one. So I installed it. You don't want to tighten it, just do a hand tight, just like that. Put 2 bolts, hand tight, and it's supposed to look like this. Facing this way, it's kind of loose. Leave it loose for now. Like I said, hand tight, do the same one. Another one, put it right here on this side, like you did over there, but there's more clips right here. You take this clip off, and then you install this one here, just like you installed the rear one. And then same thing, there's one in the front there. Also, you install this bracket. This one goes to the front. It looks like this. That's how the middle and the back looks, and the front one looks like that. And then you install it, and the holes are right underneath the truck. For the front one, it's right here. So it would be this hole and this. Same thing, you take those clips off, then install that. And like I said, do them hand tight for now. So I installed 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, and they're all loose. The reason why they're loose, that way you can move them around when you put this running board, the step. So same thing, you take just different screws. The bigger one, thicker one, take this. So for the big screws, you do a big bolt, a washer, and a black washer. Make sure you locking washer and black washer. I've noticed it comes in, they all look similar, but some of them smaller than the other. See, one's bigger for the bigger bolt, that's for the small bolt. Make sure you put the bigger one for the bigger bolt, because the big one locking washer will fit on a small one, but the small one will not fit on the big one. So yeah, that's how you do it. And you install them from here, 1, 2 here, 2 there, and 2 in the front. And in the back it has the screws location. And when you're installing these steps, make sure you have where the length is from here to here is this much, and the rear is longer. That way it looks good. So it's short one here, it comes out longer this way. So I installed this. I put these bolts, the big ones, the one here and the one in there, just like that. 1, 2, 3. And now it's loose. There's a plate this way and plate this way. So what you want to do is tighten this side first, these bolts, the big ones, all of them. Once you tighten that, then you tighten the brackets to the car. Make sure you line it up how it should be, and that's it. Now I'll show you what they feel like once they're done. Once it's finished, this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the back. Nice and clean look. Also, they're pretty sturdy. I'm standing with 2 feet. Pretty tough. Same thing on this side. So that's what they look like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.